Hello guys, today before I make a video I wanna show you guys something because I was reading the comments. Sometimes I have time where I go back to the comment and start looking at what people they are looking at and which help they need from me so that I can help them. So let me show you two comments that I was not happy with it. Is when I make this video, let me zoom again. When I made this video, the issue was there was one of my brother asking me what I was looking at in this USA 30 before it sell here. So it's not like something that I made was not there. I just come because I saw the market is running. For people that they know me, they know the kind of person I am, what I look in the market. But there is these other boys that if they don't have anything to do, what they normally do, they just come and start talking crap. Let's say like this one. He just come and asking me, first he had the comment of saying like if everyone can do what I'm doing just from nowhere. He said everyone can do what I'm doing, if anyone can record and explain from the old chat. So I say to him, I'm not doing anything like that because I know every time I make a video is from my experience what I was looking at. If I hit a stop loss, I'm gonna say that. Then this person was making, I don't know, the comments, maybe just wanted to hear what I would say. Then I report those comments. YouTube was the one that removed those comments. So I have no power to remove a comment, but YouTube was the one that report those comments. He come back again and saying, why don't I use the replay tool and explain, you see, those kind of stuff. The next minute he come back and say, I see when someone is honest, you remove their comment. So I don't know what this guy was trying to prove. So according to him, I supposed to make a reply bar and for him to see what was happening. Well, like maybe someone is paying me for me to come and teach him on YouTube. I make a video to help those one I will need. I don't make a video just to come and start arguing. No, I'm trying to help where I can. If you can check on this video, let me show you guys something on this video. There is a place where I call a trade live. For those one that had eyes to see on this video, they will know that. You see this level. I call a trade live while recording this video that this is gonna be the zone where marketers to buy. So if you can check from here what I was saying. I wanna see market come back inside this zone so that I can take my buy position to go to the upside. You see, and you could get a continuation if you want. There was, you see guys, so I did call this video this thread live. Now let me show you what happened. Let me go to my chat lab so that you can see what end up happening. Do you see guys what end up happening? So it's the things that I call live. I don't know, this guy is gonna come and tell me again, now you need to make a bar replay. So I don't know what is it for, because I know what I'm doing, I know my trade, I know what I'm expecting in the market, I know how to risk, you see. So anyway guys, let us ignore. There will always be people, they will talk whatever they feel like. I don't stop anyone from talking, but sometimes when someone wanna talk, you need to make sense. So let me go to the chart so that I can show you guys what happened there. Then we see what happened from there. I like when I explain something, I also want to see how people they could take, let's say, a continuation trend. My target was just here. I'm not going to lie, like, okay, I hold my trade up until hold this level. No, I didn't hold. As you know me, I normally work with my target. So now I want to change my way of trading a bit. I want to join the swing trade because I see most of the trade that I'm taking, all of them, they are going on the swing ways. So I want to try to see if I can start taking swing trade also. Do you see like the way I keep the trade here? Now, because this one was a risk entry. This was a risk entry because market returned back straight to the point where we have this void price. Then markets, okay, for people that they are trading, let's say the candlestick pattern. They're gonna tell you this is the bullish engulfing. This is why markets come to fill this level. For people that they are trading smart money, they'll say there was an imbalance. I'm gonna say also there was a QML somewhere here, like the way I'm trading my supply and demand. Then the next minute, what you wanna see if you wanna take a trade, if you are scared of taking a trade, let's say on this time frame, most of people that they are trading smart money concept, they're gonna wait for market to run this high. Why this high? Because this is the one that give us this lower low somewhere here. If you can check here, this one, so it give us this low point. This is the area that give us this lower low. Then what do we see? We want to see market show us direction that, okay, I break structure, now I want to go to the upside. So if we break this area, then the first thing that we want to look is where is the liquidity that market is going to target. Then we need to find the point of interest. Where is the point of interest that market could use? So the point of interest from this area, I'm gonna say I have this one because that was the base was being ignored. If you can check from here, we have this drop, base, then drop. When market was going to the upside, we expected market to start selling from here. And why this one is more valid? Because check, it ran this liquidity. It ran liquidity that was resting here and helped the market run again the low side. So this is where the original movement happened. And you can see this block was never been used. Then market just come back after creating this liquidity. If you go to M5, you're gonna see this liquidity properly. This is the liquidity. Market just come, then this is how market fly. But if you wanna get another continuation trend, we have again this level. This one could be a nice level where you could come and get another continuation trend. People that they are trading, let's say breaker or whatever, what they'll do, this is their zone where they have to take the entry. So for precision, then you need to see where there was a manipulation, if there is any decision point. Even this one, if you can check this one here, this is a decision point. It's top of the decision point that I use to take the trade. I could take the entry there for me to continue again to the upside. You see, this is what I was expecting. Then when I explain this so that people, they can build that confidence on themselves of saying, okay, I see something like this guy explained, then they try to risk, and you're gonna see maybe it's gonna pay. And this is also another level that I was waiting since morning. Let me show you guys. I was waiting also from this area to see what market is gonna do. Where is it? Is here. You see, I was waiting for it. So now I see market is almost come close to it and start buying. It's either I select the wrong time. Let's see. Because here there was a hidden base. I didn't even check the M30. Then market get there and start buying. But let's see. Maybe they're just trying to create a sort of liquidity before they come down. Because I want to see them coming to this area so that I can see if I can refine my my buy entry. But so far, I'm not gonna chase an entry. And the second trade also that I did refine and take, but I went out very early. I'm gonna show you guys was gold. Do you see this gold? Let me show you guys. I call it on the group, on the public group. Was he here somewhere here? What is that chart? Okay, was here. I give this zone here. That is gonna be a buy zone. We need to buy from here. Then let me go to H4. 240 H4. What happened on H4? So can you see what happened on H4 on this zone? So from this zone, I saw this block here. This is what I refined, that this area is gonna be my zone where I'm gonna come and buy from it. And then market gets here. So what happened? Then I went to H1. I'm sure I went to H1 to find another decision point. I could see this low. I use it as the low of QML plus this hidden base. Again, there is a base ignore that is here. I saw here market did break a structure. I look at break of structure. I look where is the inducement, if there is an imbalance. Then I check my demand or supplier level if I'm checking on the uptrend going to the downside. So I look at those things for me to be able to take the entry. Then this is what happened. So my first trade, I took it straight when market gets here. So it went up with me until this area. When it starts coming to the downside, I close my entry. So all this movement that happened, I was just sleeping. When I wake up, I found market somewhere here already above the Asian range, so I could not chase it. But market went until my target, and I was also expecting market to come and sell from here. This is also another analysis that I make for market to come and sell from here. So the full breakdown, then I went to M15. The M15 was the one that gave me this entry straight, because for me to reduce my risk. But you could take an entry from here. Let's say if you are a type of guy who doesn't sleep, because this time if I put my time zone, I've already sleep long time. So let me show you on the M5 how you could be able to catch that movement from the M5. So from the M5, what you could do is you look for the same thing. What is the break of structure? Did the market create an inducement? The one that people call an inducement is most of the FTR, because this is failure to return. Market failed to return inside the demand zone. Then they create this sort of liquidity. So what do you wait? You wait for market to come and run this liquidity. Then this is your zone where you're gonna start buying. If you wanted the continuation again, you could get the continuation somewhere here. After market run all this level, you could refine your entry. Check what is the price imbalance, what happened. Let me go to M3 so that we can see what happened there. If I go to M3, then you're gonna see on this area. Do you see this low? I saw this low because this low, market manipulate this low. So for me, this low is very strong, where market has to come back and take the entry again. Then market get here, take the entry, you could just continue. And this level was the one also, I was expecting market to come back before they continue. This is why I was waiting. Okay, since I missed the entry from the low point, let me wait from this area for market to come back. Then check what happened. I created even my liquidity. Market has to run this one, but market didn't run this area. Then market just pushed to the upside. I even make this analysis. I say, okay, this is a weak high, and I have my strong low, because this is my range. Since market failed to take out this low, I'm expecting market to push and take out the high. Market took the high, react from that zone. You see here there was an M30 zone. Let me show you an M30. You could refine that area also, saying, okay, since I saw, do you see, this is the M30. So if you want to trade, you're going to say, okay, this is all your zone. But how do you get the precision? You can go to the other time frame and try to see, is there any break of structure that happened? I can see here, this is all the block. But why did I refine my entry from here? This is the HB. I like to see where there is a HB. Then if you check the HB, is aligned with this strong, see this is strong low. So you're gonna see here we have the strong resistance support, sorry. Then market come and complete that one for them to retrace. So I was expecting market to come below, then market never show up there. But I'm expecting again, before we push high, market has to drop until this area for me to be able to catch my entry. It's either if they go to the upside, they have to drop again until this zone. So this is what I'm looking at. As you can check, then okay, from there also what I did, I went I think to M5 for me to see if there was a break of structure for that sell position. This is the break of structure that happened there. You see here we have the break of structure, but this is the key level. If you go again to M3, you're gonna see there is something there. Before market break that low, what happened? Did the market create something there? So this is what I look in the market for me to be able to catch the move. Do you see this low here? It's aligned with the other strong support that we found on M30. So this is how I look, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. You need to go back and back test the video. Enjoy it.